want to take a minute to go over a feature added in Vicinity 4.47, which is our June 30th, 2024 release. Specifically, this is for those clients that are using our quality sample entry screen to enter test results. And it is the case for no matter what kind of test you're entering. I'm going to go ahead and pull up a raw material that I like to play with, and just go ahead and pick up a lot number. Just grab a lot. When I defined this inventory item, this component, I have identified these QC tests that I would like to perform. Now, there are certain times in which you may want to add a test that isn't on this list, and that's where this functionality has been added. I just hit the show available, and it's showing me all of my QC tests that I have available. And in the past, to enter multiple results, you'd have to actually come in and go and hand pick these and kind of going through and doing them one at a time. Instead, what we've done is we've now give you the ability to select either groups or individual tests or a range of tests. So for example, if I want to add these first 3 tests, I can do so by clicking on the top of my range, go down to the bottom of my range, hold my shift button and click. Now on this video it might be hard to see, but on my monitor there's blue underlines or blue boxes around these records, and I can add those. Let me just go ahead and push those over, and it added all 3. Now I can also selectively pick tests. So let's say I want to do this one, and then I want to do this one, but none in between. I can hold down my control key and hit that. Now there's a blue line around the first one, and there's a blue line around the bake. If I hit add, then we'll be adding those 2. Now I can also mix this. So if I want to add this from this range, hold down my shift to that. I've got boxes all through here, and then I can pick up with my control, just hold my control button down and click, and now I've got a box around this, a box around color, and a box around those 4 or 5. So it looks like I'm going to add another 7 tests. So I can go ahead and add that selection into my list of tests that I want to perform. So this is going to be helpful for those organizations that have a variety of different tests they perform, and maybe depending upon one set of tests, they might run some other tests, an example, or a panel, things like that. So know that this will be applicable to some quality users. I also want to remind people that we have this filtering capability, so I can actually come in and I can filter out my tests. If I've got a long range of them, I can say only show me my yes/no test as a hypothetical example, or where I can say it has 100 in its test ID. So don't forget you have the filtering capability, but we now also have the ability to grab a number of tests and add them simultaneously. So this came to us from a client using Quality. I think it's a great idea. Let us know if there are any other items that we can add to help make your day a little easier. Thanks a lot and have a great day.